Have you ever wondered why financial stability seems like a distant dream for many? The answer lies in the simple yet often overlooked habit of saving. By setting aside a portion of your income, you are investing in your future self. It's about making your money work for you, not just now, but also in the future. When you understand the difference between saving and spending, you understand the path to financial stability. Without savings, achieving financial stability can seem like an uphill battle. Now, how do we start saving? It begins with setting clear goals. It's like setting a destination before you start a journey. You can't hit a target if you don't know what it is, right? So let's begin by setting both short-term and long-term savings goals. Short-term goals could be anything from establishing an emergency fund, a safety net for unexpected expenses, to saving for a vacation, a reward for all your hard work. On the other hand, long-term goals are those that take a little more time and patience. Saving for retirement is a prime example of a long-term goal. It might seem far off now, but the sooner you start, the better off you'll be in the long run. Remember, these goals are not just about stashing away money. They are about preparing for the future, providing security, and ensuring peace of mind. Having clear goals in mind can make the process of saving much more manageable and rewarding. Saving doesn't have to be a strenuous task. In fact, it can be quite effortless. The trick lies in automation. By setting up automatic transfers to your savings account, you're essentially taking the guesswork out of saving. Instead of worrying about setting aside money each month, the transfer is made automatically, allowing you to save without even thinking about it. Now, let's dive a little deeper into the digital age. There are countless mobile apps and digital tools available that can simplify the saving process even further. These tools not only help you track your savings, but also offer features that can help your savings grow over time. From apps that round up your change on purchases and save the difference, to those that provide insights into your spending habits, these digital tools can be a game changer for your saving strategy. Remember, the goal is to make saving as effortless as possible. Automating your savings can help make saving a seamless part of your financial routine. While saving is essential, so is being mindful of where our money goes. Let's discuss how we can cut costs on common expenses. For groceries, consider buying in bulk or opting for store brand products. When it comes to utilities, simple practices like turning off lights when not in use or using energy-efficient appliances can save a significant amount. As for transportation, carpooling or using public transit can drastically reduce expenses. Now, let's talk about the cornerstone of financial stability, the emergency fund. This is a stash of money set aside to cover the financial surprises life throws your way. How do you build it? Start small. Dedicate a portion of your income each month, even if it's just a small percentage. Over time, it will grow, providing a safety net for unexpected expenses. Remember, every penny saved is a penny earned. Cutting unnecessary costs and building an emergency fund are two key steps towards financial stability. While short-term savings are crucial, we can't ignore the importance of long-term savings. Let's dive into long-term saving strategies. These are your big-ticket items, your future dreams. Perhaps you're thinking about a comfortable retirement, buying a home, or funding a child's university education. For these, you need a strategy that grows wealth over time. Investing is a powerful tool for long-term savings. It might sound daunting, but with a little research, you can start small. Mutual funds, stocks, bonds, or real estate could be your ticket to financial growth. Remember, it's not about making quick money, but steady growth over a long period. Saving for retirement is another crucial long-term strategy. It's never too early to start. A retirement fund, like a 401k or an IRA, can provide a safety net for your golden years. The earlier you start, the more time your money has to grow. Let's recap what we've covered so far. We talked about the importance of saving, setting clear goals, making saving effortless, cutting costs, and building an emergency fund. We also explored long-term saving strategies like investing and saving for retirement. Each step is a building block towards your financial stability. Remember, the road to financial stability starts with smart saving strategies. Start today and secure your future.